Okay, so before I do this unboxing, let me give you a little history of what we're about to see. Zig Zag is the creation of Canadian furry Max Black Rabbit. She has been a staple of the furry fandom since nearly the beginning. She's appeared in numerous forms and venues such as Anthrocon.
Hello, Anthrocon! I sure hope you furries are in the mood for a party tonight.
Merchandise, and more commonly known in the Sabrina online webcomic by Eric W. Schwartz. So, what does this have to do with this unboxing, you ask? Well, for one, this is a special gift from former Zig Zag fursuiter and dear friend, Lauren Rivers. By the way, check her channel link out in the description. She's got some great vids. And secondly, I'm a total Zig Zag fangirl, so just because. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Only I know what's in this box. The rest of you will just have to wait and see. Okay, so as you can see, I've taken the liberty of blacking out the addresses for privacy's sake. So this is my first unboxing, so please bear with me. It's been really chilly, so I have my rainbow dash robe on, which is the probably should have gotten something better than a butter knife. There we go. Okay. This box has actually been sitting in my closet for a couple of weeks now. Was hoping to get a better camera to do this, but unfortunately it's been a little delayed. So I'm using my camera, one that's on my laptop, which isn't horrible, but I don't like how confined it makes everything, so it's too limited. Okay. Got a little note here. I don't know if you can really see that. Lighting's a little messed up, but it says, "Enjoy the shirt, Lauren." And this, there it is. It's my Zig Zag shirt. I love it. I absolutely love it. Lauren, thank you so much. So much. I promise to give it a good home. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.